everyone, this is Sandy, and today I would like to introduce you our positioning pattern KN95 mask machine. Speed is 100 to 120 pieces per minute. The whole machine adopts 21 pieces of servo motors and 4 pieces of ultrasonics. And first of all, I would like to show you our finished mask sample. We can see here have a pattern. It will always be in the same position. So this side is the same, and we can see here have a small stars. So that means the whole mask needs to use 4 pieces sensor to detect and positioning the locations. And this is our nose pin as well. So that's all for the finished mask sample introduction. Next, we will go to our mask machine introduction. So first of all, let's check our pattern mask N95 from the whole appearance. And I will start my introduction from the fitting area. Here we put 5 layers of fabric. And the specific one I want to say is this positioning fabric. It have some patterns on it and have a black positioning printing. This is mainly for the sensor to detect it and to make sure the sensor can detect it on certain position and make sure the pattern will be on a certain area. And this width can be calculated by the mask size, so it's not always be like this width. And we can see here this is an optional device. It's a air shaft. And each fabric we have a sensor like this. It's meant to detect the fabric, and when it's run out, it will stop production automatically. And we can see here the 3 layers fabric will go from here, and the pattern fabric will go through the top. Actually, we can put 1 more layer to go from the top. It's okay. Here is our nose pin device area. We can see here have a servo motor. It's meant to push the nose pin forward, and here have a servo motor. It's meant to push the nose pin come this side. And comes to this part. This is our mask mode. This is the gap roller. Each of them uses servo to drive. And the mask mode can be customized to your logo. And we can see here have a sensor. It's meant to detect the fabric, to detect the black pattern. And the server can adjust the speed automatically. We can see the nose pin clearly installed on the fabric. And this area we can either install a inkjet printer and also the nose thumb device. And next come to our yellow welding. The whole yellow welding station adopts 4 servo to drive. Let's take a look at the sensor first. This sensor is meant to detect the position of yellow welding. Due to its pattern mask, so the yellow welding also needs a sensor to make sure the position. this motor is mainly to drive it to stretch the ear loop. And this is the welding head. It can be customized to other shape. And these are our ear loop clip. It's driven by servo as well. So it means here use 4 clips. It means have 4 servo motors. And this too is mainly to drive the welding head. And this is mainly to drive the whole machine up and down. Here we use a stepping motor to control the ear loop scissors. This is the gap roller. It controlled by a servo motors as well. All the servo motors is mainly to make sure the whole machine can adjust automatically when one place is fast or slow. All the rest part can be adjusted automatically. And here we can see is the folding device. It's similar with our normal N95 folding device. So we have to make sure the middle line strictly follow the point. And here is our edge sealing part. It will seal the mask edge, and it's driven by an ultrasonic with 15K and 4,200 watt ultrasonic, and as well as servo motors. And here we can see have a sensor. It's mainly to detect, to adjust this part. And comes to here, you have one more sensor. It's mainly for pre-cutting position use. So this is the mask shape cutter. It will cut the mask in a shape. And here we can connect the finished mask from here. And here is our finished sample. Here is our waste connection device. So for the ear loop welding device, it uses 2 ultrasonics with 15K 2,600 watt. And for our mask mode, it uses an ultrasonic with 15K 2,600 watt as well. Let's check our screen. And our electric box as well. So all the ultrasonics we use Wechat brand. So that's all for the introduction of the positioning N95 mask machine. See you next time.